Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to books and novels. Say these words with your English voice. Narrative. Narrative. This is a story or description of a series of events told by someone. Hero. Hero. This is the main male character in a book or film who is usually good and brave. Heroine. Heroine. This is the main female character in a book or film who is usually good and brave. Villain. Villain. This is a character in a book, play, film, etc. who harms other people. Set. Set. This is a few books written by the same author that follow on from one another or have the same subject. Genre. Genre. This is a particular subject or style of literature, art, or music. Book review. Book review. This is when critics give their opinion on a book.